watch me make it pop, 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 baby, I can't stop, stop, stop. Fingers moving fast, full of fire and flow, making magic happen, that's the way I go. Put my mind in motion, watch my talent grow. Come and get beside me, let me run the show. Every little piece in my hands got me feeling like I understand.
Today is day number 5 of me finishing chemotherapy. And I'm going to show you exactly how I'm taking care of my scalp as my hair is growing back. And this is my crown revival journey. About 8 months ago, I made this oil. It's infused with 11 herbs, almond, and grapeseed oil. And I just let it sit. Now that I'm finished with chemotherapy, I finally get to use it. Everything in here was chosen for growth, strength, and healing. Okay, when it came to selecting the ingredients for this oil, I selected these ingredients with purpose in mind because each one needed to have some exact functions and benefits for stimulating hair growth. And so, for example, the rosemary and the peppermint, those herbs are good for stimulating and increasing blood circulation. And we know that we need to have some fresh blood, fresh oxygenated blood coming to those hair follicles. And then with the fenugreek and the almond oil, they help to strengthen the hair at the root. And then nettle and horsetail, those are for minerals that support healthy hair growth. Also with the lavender and the lemon balm, it's to help soothe and calm the scalp. And then with the grapeseed oil being lightweight as a base, it wouldn't clog my pores. And so it's really a full scalp treatment to create an environment that is going to be conducive for the success of hair growth. Okay, so when I'm applying the oil, I want to shake the bottle up and we want to get those herbs moving around and get everything nice and mixed up. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to take a nice little half a dropper, pour it in your palm. And being that my hair is only half an inch, we're going to warm it up a little bit. And then we're just going to, rub my head. And I like to go from the crown forward down to the sides, kind of like how I would oil my brother's or nephew's hair and brush how guys like oil their scalp when they're getting ready to brush their waves in. And I'm following how my hair is naturally laying down. Okay. And then just with your fingertips, you just want to kind of massage it in, stimulate that area that you're working in. Relax, breathe in, breathe out. Take a couple of moments and just really massage. Feel the tension leaving your body. And really just loving on yourself. When you love on yourself, you create this inner glow. And really, when we're taking care of ourselves, that's when our skin and our hair and our nails are thriving. And there's no rush. You're gentle and you're taking your time. And so, getting that in, give you guys a little close up. It's not a difficult technique. It's just taking the balls of your fingertips and just massaging all the way around your head, all the way around the hairline. And so once you've done that for a couple of minutes, then you just want to lay it back down. All right, and so that's it. And so I'll be doing this process 2 to 3 times a week, 3 days a week, really. And basically, my hair is only that long, so it takes that long for it to dry. And I wash it gently, cleaning my scalp, and let it air dry, and then just apply this oil to it and just love on it. Eating good, drinking plenty of water, the fruits and the vegetables play a good role. What we put in us is what comes out. And so really put a lot of effort into trying to eat good. So that's greens and cornbread and greens and cornbread and fruits and vegetables and green salads. I love the avocado salad from Deli Delish. It's just full of so many veggies and tuna, proteins, my oatmeal in the morning with fruits and stuff, drinking water and drinking natural juices. Get you some agua frescas. It is spring, getting ready to be summer, and so there's going to be plenty of fruit. So go and grab you some natural fruit drinks. Get as much fruits and vegetables. Take your multivitamins. Just take care of you. This is the only body we have. And if I've learned anything during this cancer journey is to appreciate my body. And I'm learning to love me even on a deeper level. You guys have no idea how much I had to pump myself up to do this video, to share with all of my baldness and everything, because this was like the most saddest thing. Yeah, redefining beauty to me. I kind of saw how pieces of shallowness I had in me, because I did identify with my hair a lot, and so cutting my hair off was a big deal. So anyway, I don't want to go too deep into that and get to crying. That'll be another video. We can talk about the effects of the changes that you go through with chemotherapy and fighting cancer. I'm just happy that I'm past that chemotherapy process. I do still have another step to take, and I like to share things once I finish them. I'm really big on um, sharing my testimony afterwards. I kind of keep things private until I'm ready to share it. And so with that, I do want to share this journey because I know that there's other women and men that have had to go through chemotherapy, have lost their eyebrows, their eyelashes, and you look totally different, and you have to get past that. And then the process that we go through in rebuilding once we do go through chemo and go through surgery. It's a whole journey. So I'm sharing this hopefully so you won't feel alone. You'll know that you're not alone, that there's other people going through it too. And if I can do it, you can do it. The Bible says our hair is our crown. And right now, my crown is being restored. So I'm not rushing this process. I'm going to nurture it, care for it, and be patient with it. This is my crown revival journey.
Watch me make it pop, 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 baby, I can't stop. So